The Deepal S07, an ambitious all-electric mid-size crossover SUV from Changan's innovative Deepal brand, immediately captivates with its futuristic and distinctly aerodynamic exterior design. It adopts a stylish coupe SUV silhouette, characterized by a gracefully sloping roofline that merges sporty appeal with premium elegance. The front fascia is intensely minimalist and aggressive, fully closed off as expected of a modern EV, and dominated by striking star pedal LED daytime running lights, or DRLs, that provide a signature visual identity. This sleek aesthetic, honed by Italian design input, is engineered for efficiency, contributing to an impressive drag coefficient as low as 0.258 CD. Adding to its sophisticated profile are the frameless windows and advanced electric hidden door handles that automatically deploy high-definition sunflower touchscreen. This isn't just a static display, it boasts the unique ability to rotate to perfectly face either the driver or the front passenger, making controls and entertainment highly accessible, regardless of who is navigating or interacting with the vehicle. The interior atmosphere is further enhanced by premium materials, often featuring synthetic leather and soft-touch surfaces, and is flooded with light courtesy of a large, standard 1.9 square meter panoramic glass roof. Comfort is paramount, with electrically adjustable front seats that typically include both heating and ventilation functions, while the driver benefits from a multi-way power-adjustable seat with memory and a welcoming return function. The cabin is also exceptionally smart, incorporating features like gesture recognition and sophisticated voice control, alongside modern conveniences such as a 40-watt wireless charger and a premium multi-speaker sound system, often featuring a dedicated driver headrest speaker for tailored audio. Under the skin, the Deepal S07 is built on the dedicated Changan EPA1 platform, engineered specifically for electric vehicles, and utilizes a rear-wheel drive RWD configuration for a classic dynamic driving experience. Power comes from a permanent magnet synchronous motor, typically generating outputs around 160 kilowatts, 218 horsepower, or 190 kilowatts, 255 horsepower, and a healthy 320 newton-meters of torque. This setup allows the S07 to accelerate briskly, reaching 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in a respectable timeframe, usually between 6.7 and 7.9 seconds. The vehicle offers competitive range options, commonly featuring a 66.8 kilowatt-hour or a larger 79.97 kilowatt-hour ternary lithium battery pack. Depending on the variant and testing cycle, the estimated range can stretch from approximately 485 kilometers (ND)